In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on dark mode in TradingView. If you spend a lot of time looking at charts, switching to a darker theme can make a big difference. It reduces glare, is easier on your eyes in low light, and can make your indicators and candles pop with better contrast. First, open TradingView in your browser and head to the chart interface. You can do this from the homepage by opening any chart layout. Once the chart is on your screen, look toward the top of the page for your profile icon. It's the small avatar or circle positioned near the top left area of the chart header in this layout. Give that a click to open the quick menu. This menu is where TradingView keeps a handful of personalization settings so you can adjust the look and feel of the platform without leaving your chart. In that menu, find the option labeled Dark Theme. It's a simple toggle that controls the overall color scheme of the interface. When you select it, TradingView will switch the entire workspace to a darker palette. Menus, panels, the chart background, and most interface elements update instantly, so you can immediately see how your layout looks. Use the toggle to enable or disable the dark theme as you prefer. If you turn it on and then decide you want to go back to a lighter look, just toggle it off the same way. The change takes effect right away and your charts remain exactly where they were. No need to reload or navigate elsewhere. If you're signed in, TradingView usually remembers your theme preference, so the next time you open your charts, it should keep the same setting. A couple of quick tips as you switch. Dark mode tends to make colors appear richer, so line and candle colors may look slightly different than you're used to. That's normal, and many traders find it improves readability, especially for long sessions. If you work in bright environments, you might experiment with both themes to see which offers the best visibility on your screen. And if you enjoy fine-tuning, TradingView offers additional appearance controls you can explore later to dial in backgrounds, grids, and borders to match your style. That's all there is to it. Open your chart, click the profile icon at the top, choose Dark Theme, and toggle it on or off whenever you need. Simple, fast, and easy on the eyes. If this helped you get comfortable with TradingView's appearance, you're ready to keep analyzing without the glare. Thanks for watching and enjoy your charts in dark mode.